other car. 2001 Honda Civic manual 5-speed DX. You can see in the shifter the play you have in there. Doesn't want to get in gear, stay in nicely, so we're going to replace the shifter assembly first, and then we can see about our adjusting our lines, or if it's a clutch issue. So we have 4 bolts, 12 millimeters, and then 1 pin there and 1 pin on there. Okay, so the pins slide right out. Don't lose those. And this should slide right out. Perfect, perfect. We got that in the same direction it came off. Now I'll just remove the 4 bolts. I already loosened them, but I'll remove them and pull this off as a whole. Okay, that's it. It works. Okay guys, so just for a recap, the shifter assembly, when it would go into gear, it would not really hold itself in place. The base of the shifter, it's like a plastic type ball joint. The play you have in there ended up wearing out, and that was not allowing for the shifter to stay in place. So after replacing that seemed to have solved the issue. Car was shifting great, put everything back together, all the plastics, and that was it. We had a good day.